How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. So if you are trying to subscribe to Spotify Premium from your iPhone, you might have noticed there is no option to upgrade within the app. That's because iPhone don't support in-app purchases for Spotify. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can subscribe easily using your browser. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser. You can open Safari or Chrome for this. And once you have opened the Safari app, simply go to the spotify.com and log in to your free account where you want to upgrade. And once you are there, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And from there, select Premium. And now here, choose a payment method. You can choose either PayPal or credit and debit card. Once you have selected that, enter your card details like your card number, expiration date, and security code. And once you're done with all that, you can simply tap on complete purchase. And that's it. That's how you can purchase Spotify Premium on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.